talking about.
Hi.
Are going to play Greek soldiers defending their home city of Syracuse from the marauding Roman army under General Marcellus. Right here. Now, your countryman, the great Greek mathematician, has given you a very novel weapon.
Are you breaking that?
You are going to be lined up on the water's edge in red. General Marcellus, you put it towards the in a boat.
Ah!